A good day. Today we'll be dealing with WAEC Biology Past Question 2019, question 34. Organisms in an ecosystem are usually grouped according to their trophic levels into A. Carnivores and omnivores, B. Consumers and parasites, C. Producers and saprophytes, D. Producers and consumers. Now, you ask yourself, what is a trophic level? Now, trophic level refers to the various level of the level of organization in terms of feeding in an ecosystem. So now what I mean is, in an ecosystem we have producers, we have primary consumers, we have secondary consumers, and we have tertiary consumers. Now you will notice that it's just consumers and producers, because the primary, secondary and tertiary all fall under consumers, and then we have the producers. So organisms in an ecosystem are grouped into the producers and consumers. So the answer to this particular question is option D. Thank you and God bless you.